Okay, I'm going to do an unboxing of this 12-inch LED ring light. I think it's pronounced TKO. You can correct my grammar, but it's going to be used for my YouTube videos. So let's check it out. Enjoy the video. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Some instructions. The tripod. Other hardware is going to be inside this box here. It comes with the ring light. It has a USB connection here. And then on this part, there's an up, down, an on switch, off switch, and the model. And then also, inside there is other hardware for the tripod. So let me go ahead and get this stuff hooked up. It's pretty easy to put together. You put this here, you put the light on here. This ball here was connected to this right here, and you tighten it on. Everything gets put on here, screws in, and then your phone gets put here. But I cannot show you the results with the phone because I'm recording with my phone as of right now. But let me plug it in and see how the light looks. I'm going to stick my USB port into this and plug it into an outlet. Let's turn it on and see what's going on. There's a blue light that says it has power. It's on. You can tell the different settings. High, low, goes high real bright. And you can bring it down. And the mode, it's a different one. This is like a blue tint. High, low. So it's 12 inches. Set it on your table or something when you do your YouTube videos and give yourself some light, some great lighting. You know, if you're interested, this was purchased from Amazon. Check it out. I am not affiliated in any way with this product, but it's a great investment for you if you're interested in looking for an affordable light to record your YouTube videos. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye. An added bonus, there was a remote in there that I missed. And also the ring light can be connected to a tripod.